Hi there, this is Jessica Drossin, and I'm just going to do this blown sky replacement tutorial just one more time on its own for those of you that want to watch just how the sky goes in. So first of all, we're going to grab this action and we're going to hit the play button. This is going to remind us that it works best on blown out photos. I hit continue. This is going to now tell me to place my cloud. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab my gift set cloud that's going to come free with purchase, the holiday gift set cloud, or I can either select it all and copy and paste it in, or I can simply drag it and drop it. And now I'm going to line up my horizon line with my horizon line of my clouds. And I go back to my actions, I hit play. It says step 3, now that I've placed my cloud, I need to turn that cloud layer off. So again, I hit stop and I turn the cloud layer off and I go back to the play button, hit it. Now the last step is it's just telling me to turn my cloud layer on to make sure that that cloud layer is selected. So again, I hit stop, I go back to my cloud layer, make sure that it's selected, turn it on, go back to my little play button, and boom, we have a cloud that's been added in, and hopefully that's going to get you pretty close to being all the way there. You might need to do a few tweaks, but hopefully this is going to make adding clouds to photos with trees or other details just so much easier and faster for you. Thanks so much for watching, and please enjoy.